In front of us, we have question 1, fourth part. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So we have given some equations. We have to first convert them into linear equations. Then we will find the value of those variables. So we have given the equation. Now put the value of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v, so that the equation will be linear equation. That is 5u plus v equals to 2. This is third equation, and this is 6u minus 3v equals to 1. This is our fourth equation. Now we will solve these equations for u and v by elimination method. In elimination method, we first make the coefficients of u or either y, v equals. So I am making here u coefficients equal. So we will multiply the coefficients. Multiply equation 3 by 6 and equation 4 by 5, and then we will subtract the result, and then subtract the result. First we will multiply. This is 5u plus 5. This is, when we multiply this, we will get 30u plus 6v equals to 12. 30u minus 5 3 is 15v equals to 5, and when we will subtract, sign will change. So this is 21v equals to 7. So v is equal to 7 upon 21. That is, v is equal to 1 by 3. Now put the value of v in equation 6. This is equation 4. In equation 4. Our equation 4 is 6u minus 3v, v is 1 by 3 equals to 1. This is 6u equals to 1 plus 1 is 2, that is u is equal to 2 by 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is u is equal to 1 by 3. Now, but we have taken 1 by x minus 1 equals to u, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. 1 upon x minus 1, u is 1 by 2. U value is 1 by 3. And 1 by y minus 2 is equal to v value is also 1 by 3. Now we will solve this for value of x and y. This is x minus 1 is equal to 3, y minus 2 is equal to 3. First we will solve this. Minus, this is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So this is the solution for the equation. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.